Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, this piece of equipment is pivotal if you own an iPad or an iPhone. And the reason why is because this allows you to connect your phone or your iPad just like that and send an HDMI signal to your television or monitor, which is fantastic. So you can share whatever is on your screen, you can share whatever music is playing, videos, whatever, on your television without having to do any airdrops or anything similar. It goes directly to it. And what I really like about this is that it's got the slot for the HDMI, and it also has a slot for your lightning cable so you can charge at the same time. So if you wanted to stream pictures or if you wanted to stream movies included, you could absolutely do it. This thing is fantastic. I've had no issues with it whatsoever, and I really love it. And the fact that it's so small, you can take it with you on vacations or travels and connect it to any TV wherever you may be. I love this little piece of equipment, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.